Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make egg biryani. So let's start. Here I have 1 tablespoon crushed ginger garlic, handful of coriander leaves chopped. Also add handful of mint leaves chopped. I don't have so I am not adding them. 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon biryani masala, half teaspoon haldi powder, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 6 boiled eggs. Here I have 200 grams yogurt curd. Here I have 1 fresh tomato grated. Here I have 4 medium sized onions sliced. Raisins and cashew nuts roasted, handful of them. 1 cup of basmati rice. To cook the rice, I will be using 4 bay leaves, 3 star anise and 1 teaspoon Shahi Jeera, carve seeds. Salt as per your taste, 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here I have oil which is hot. In this we will be adding the sliced onion. We will fry them till they turn light golden brown in color. Our onions are done. Now we will remove them and keep it aside. To the same oil we will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic. We will saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add the fresh tomato puree. And again we will saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add all the masalas. Coriander powder, biryani powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. We will add the bay leaves, coriander, browned onions, mix. Now we will add the curd. Again we will mix. Add salt as per your taste. Now we will add the eggs. Mix. Now we will cover it and cook it on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Our gravy is done. Here I have 10 cups of water which is boiling. To this we will add the bay leaves, 3 star anise, 1 teaspoon Shahi Jeera, 2 cinnamon sticks, 10 black peppercorns, 8 cloves. Now we will add the washed rice. Add salt as per your taste. Give it a stir. And we'll cook the rice till it is 80% done. Now we'll layer the gravy with the cooked rice. It is 80% cooked. On top we'll add the browned onions and dry roasted cashew nuts and raisins. We'll add some coriander. And tablespoon of ghee. Now we'll cover it and steam it on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Our biryani is ready. Now let's plate it up. Our egg biryani is ready. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.